Hello guys, in today's video I want to talk about how to hide apps on Android. In this tutorial I use Redmi Note 10 Pro. So make sure you watch this video to the end, so that there are no misunderstandings. Redmi has a feature that you can use to hide applications instantly without need to download additional applications. You can open the security features that have been provided by Redmi. Then on the security features scroll down, then click on Hide Apps. Click the settings icon in the top right corner. After that, turn on the application lock. This is optional, you can activate or not. If you turn on the application lock, you will be asked to create a pattern as the password. Click on the gesture button. There are 3 things you should pay attention to before hiding the application. First, by activating this feature, the application you choose will no longer appear on the home page of your cell phone. Second, spread 2 fingers on the screen to open a list of applications that you hide. Third, if you use a password, you will be asked to enter the password first. Okay, so in this tutorial I will try to hide the WhatsApp application. After you turn on this feature, try returning to the home page of your cell phone. As you can see, now the WhatsApp application no longer appears on the home page of my cell phone. To open WhatsApp, spread your 2 fingers, then enter the password you created. Click the WhatsApp icon to open it. I really hope this video can help you. Write in the comments column if you have any questions.